Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about something that a lot of people ask me about. What is my Vonage phone number? Now, I know that this might seem like a simple question, but it's actually a little more complicated than you might think. That's because there are a few different ways to get a Vonage phone number. In this video, I'm going to explain the different ways to get a Vonage phone number, and I'll also show you how to use your Vonage phone number. So, what is my Vonage phone number? There are three main ways to get a Vonage phone number. Get a Vonage phone number with a Vonage account. This is the most common way to get a Vonage phone number. When you sign up for a Vonage account, you'll be assigned a phone number. You can then use this phone number with the Vonage app or with a Vonage phone. Get a Vonage phone number with a Vonage line. This is a newer option from Vonage. A Vonage line is a virtual phone number that you can use with any device, including your smartphone, tablet, or computer. Get a Vonage phone number with a Vonage Home Internet plan. If you have a Vonage Home Internet plan, you can get a Vonage phone number for free. Once you have a Vonage phone number, you can use it in a few different ways. You can use it to make calls, send texts, and even video chat. You can also use your Vonage phone number with your favorite apps, such as WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and Skype. How to use your Vonage phone number. Once you have a Vonage phone number, there are a few different ways to use it. Use the Vonage app. The Vonage app is available for both iOS and Android devices. Once you've downloaded the app, you can sign in with your Vonage account. You can then use the app to make calls, send texts, and video chat. Use a Vonage phone. Vonage offers a variety of phones that you can use with your Vonage service. You can find a Vonage phone that meets your needs on the Vonage website. Use your Vonage phone number with your favorite apps. You can use your Vonage phone number with a variety of apps, such as WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and Skype. I hope this video has helped you understand how to get and use a Vonage phone number. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in learning more about Vonage, please visit the Vonage website.